Are you looking for the best Xbox One game racing wheels? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Xbox One game racing wheels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Logitech G920 Driving Force Racing Wheel and Floor Pedals. The Logitech G Racing Wheel is a high-end gaming accessory designed for Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, and PC. It comes with a realistic force feedback system that simulates the feel of your car and tires on every turn and type of terrain. With the help of easy access game controls, you can seamlessly access racing controls while the semi-automatic paddle shifters help you execute accurate gear transitions on hairpin turns and straightaways. The G920 also comes with a responsive pedal unit that enables a more realistic body position for driving. With total wheel control, you can control wheel sensitivity, force feedback levels, and button customization via the powerful G-Hub gaming software for PC. The Logitech G Racing Wheel is perfect for racing game enthusiasts who want to experience a more immersive gaming experience. What we like: realistic force feedback, easy access game controls, responsive pedal unit. Number 2. SUBSONIC Superdrive Racing Wheel. The SUBSONIC Superdrive Racing Wheel is a wired steering wheel that features 180 degrees rotation, 2 pedals, and 2 paddles for gear shifting. It also has sensitivity adjustment and vibrations, as well as suction pads for stability during gameplay. Thanks to its programming function, the Superdrive is compatible with all popular racing games, such as Gran Turismo Sport, Forza Motorsport 7, Drive Club, Project Cars, Forza Horizon, and GTA 5. With the Superdrive, you can experience a more immersive and realistic racing game experience. The 180 degrees rotation allows for precise steering control, while the pedals and paddles provide a more authentic driving feel. The sensitivity adjustment and vibrations add to the realism, making you feel like you're really behind the wheel. The suction pads keep the wheel securely in place, so you don't have to worry about it moving around during gameplay. What we like: 180 degrees rotation, compatible with all popular racing games, precise steering control. Number 3. Turtle Beach VelocityOne Racing Wheel. The Turtle Beach Racing Wheel offers an authentic racing experience for Xbox and PC users. With its powerful 7.2 Nm direct drive force feedback motor, you can feel every turn and bump on the track, enhancing your immersion. The magnetic paddle shifters allow you to change gears smoothly, giving you an edge in competitive racing. You can also customize your setup easily using the race management display, ensuring your controls fit your unique driving style. Plus, the adjustable throttle, brake, and clutch pedals provide realistic feedback, making your virtual racing feel as genuine as possible. What we like: realistic force feedback, customizable controls, smooth gear shifting, enhanced immersion. Number 4. Logitech G920 Racing Wheel for Xbox. The Logitech G920 Racing Wheel for Xbox, PlayStation, and PC is a great tool for driving enthusiasts. The dual-motor force feedback lets you feel your tires on every turn and type of terrain. The 900-degree lock-to-lock rotation of the driving force means you can turn the wheel 2.5 times, which is the same degree of motion as a steering wheel inside a car. The wheel-mounted controls, including LED indicator lights, make it easy to maintain maximum acceleration without taking your eyes off the track. Plus, the solid steel ball bearings and stainless steel paddle shifters and pedals are built for long-lasting reliability. What we like: dual-motor force feedback for a realistic driving experience, 900-degree lock-to-lock rotation for precise control, wheel-mounted controls and LED indicator lights for easy access, solid steel ball bearings and stainless steel paddle shifters and pedals for durability. Number 5. PXN V99 Racing Wheel with Pedals. The PXN V99 Racing Wheel offers a thrilling experience for gamers on PC, Xbox, and PS4. It features a mobile app for easy customization, allowing you to adjust force feedback settings and button mappings to suit your preferences. The pedal system uses advanced magnetic induction technology, providing precise acceleration and braking for a more realistic driving experience. With its dual-motor force feedback, you'll feel every bump and turn, enhancing your immersion in the game. Additionally, the high-quality shifter allows for smooth gear transitions, making it easier to navigate races. What we like: mobile app for customization, high-precision pedals, dual-motor force feedback, smooth shifting experience.